Welcome to this course on Fundamentals of Business Analysis. Business analysts are experiencing strong career growth. With rising salaries and more advancement opportunities, the Bureau of Labor Statistics U.S. Labor Department forecasts an 11% growth in management analyst positions, a subfield of business analysts, over the next decade, outpacing the average for all occupations. Further, as per the IIBA's Global State of Business Analysis report, the average salaries for business analysis professionals in the U.S. are $85,452 and $84,998 per year for women and men, respectively. As the landscape of business evolves, it raises key questions, such as, what are the key responsibilities of a business analyst across industries? What education and certifications help in becoming a business analyst? What are the steps in the business analysis process, and how are they applied? Which tools and techniques improve the business analysis process? How do digital transformation and AI impact business analysis? This course addresses these questions and equips you with essential business analysis skills to excel in your role, adapt to industry-specific responsibilities, and leverage tools and techniques for real-world application. This course is designed for beginners aiming to start a career in business analysis. It does not require any prior experience in this field. The course is also suitable for existing business analysts looking to enhance their skills and improve their career prospects. If you are eager to see how business analysis can uncover opportunities, solve problems, and drive success, this course is the perfect starting point. By the end of this course, you will have an understanding of the fundamental concepts, importance, and applications of business analysis. You will also discover the steps involved in the business analysis process, along with the key tools and techniques used by professionals in the field. Additionally, you will be able to assess the responsibilities, skills, and career paths for business analysts, as well as identify growth opportunities in this dynamic profession. Lastly, you will analyze the critical role business analysis plays in driving digital transformation projects. As this is a focused course comprising 4 modules, you are expected to spend 2 to 3 hours to complete each module. The first 3 modules cover essential key concepts to build a strong foundation, while the 4th module includes a final project and exam to assess and apply your knowledge. In Module 1 of the course, you will be introduced to the core concepts of business analysis. The module covers the evolution of the field, its significance across industries, and the various domains where business analysis is applied. You will learn about the primary roles and responsibilities of a business analyst, the essential skills and certifications needed to excel in the profession, and how business analysis drives decision-making and problem-solving in organizations. Additionally, you will explore career pathways available for aspiring business analysts. In Module 2, you will learn the step-by-step business analysis process. This module focuses on requirement gathering, an essential part of a business analyst's role. You will also learn how to engage effectively with stakeholders, collect and document requirements, and navigate common challenges in the process. Alongside this, you will also get an overview of various tools and techniques commonly used by business analysts to streamline their work. In Module 3, you will gain insights into how business analysis is applied across various industries to address business challenges. You will also learn about gap analysis, which identifies discrepancies between current and desired performance levels in the business analysis process. The module also highlights the impact of digital transformation on business analysis, covering how digital strategies, technological assessments, and artificial intelligence, or AI, are integrated into modern business analysis practices to drive innovation and efficiency. The course is curated with a mix of concept videos and supporting readings. Watch all the videos to capture the full potential of the learning material. You will engage in labs and activities to apply business analysis techniques in real-world scenarios. The final project will allow you to apply the knowledge gained throughout the course by analyzing real-world scenarios and demonstrating the key concepts and skills learned. At the end of each lesson, you will find practice quizzes to reinforce your understanding. Additionally, a graded quiz will be given at the end of the course to assess your overall progress. To support your learning, a glossary is included in the last module of the course to help you comprehend the meaning of key terms related to business analysis. The course also offers discussion forums to interact with your peers. Most interestingly, the Expert Viewpoint videos feature seasoned practitioners discussing how to leverage key business analysis concepts, techniques, and tools in various industry contexts. Equip yourself with essential skills to unlock endless opportunities in the field of business analysis. Let's dive in.